Hi sir, myself Dr. P. Suresh Kumar, Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department from Ramco Institute of Technology. My project is imposing severe plastic deformation on commercial pure titanium for producing ultra-fine grain through repetitive corrugation and straightening technique for biomedical application. Presentation agenda is that objective of this work and literature review, materials and methods and result and discussion, conclusion, final acknowledgement. Objective of this work in order to increase the strength of the commercial pure titanium, which is equal to the strength of the TA6 by applying the severe plastic deformation techniques like repetitive corrugation and straightening technique. In order to ensure the strength by measuring the hardness of the material, we ensure the strength of the material. And also we study the microstructure of the material after RCS with number of passes. Some of the literature, we conducted some of the literature related to this work. Different researchers and academicians were worked at different techniques, severe plastic technique, in order to increase the strength of commercial pure titanium. Some of this I have highlighted here. First is the ECAP route used for increasing strength of the commercial pure titanium. They achieve good strength and tensile property of the material by using the ECAP BC route compared to the other routes. And another researcher were investigated the microstructure and mechanical property of the commercial pure titanium is adapted by the twist extrusion technique. They achieved a good strength by reducing grain size up to number of then less than 1 micrometer size. It enhances the strength of the property material. And another researcher were involved the pure titanium with the accumulator roll bonding techniques. So they actually 80 nanometer size of the grain size of the material after 5 ARC cycles. After 6 passes, the strength of the pure titanium almost equal to the strength of TA6. Based on this work, we have used in different techniques in order to achieve the strength of the commercial pure titanium, which is equal to the strength of the TA6. Another researcher investigated the commercial pure titanium up to conducted hydrostatically extruded up to 20 consecutive passes. They achieved a good yield strength 1250 and 1300 and up to yield strength of the ultimate strength of the material. So out of this literature, summary of this literature says that commercial pure titanium strength were increased by grain size reduction or grain refinement technique by adopting severe plastic deformation technique, different severe plastic deformation techniques. So from this literature we came to know that severe plastic deformation increased the strength of the material and also increase the tensile strength of the material by grain refinement technique and grain reduction techniques. So here materials and methods, various SPD techniques as we have seen in the literature itself. So ECAP and HPT, high pressure torsion and ARC, accumulator roll bonding and repetitive corrugation technique, closed die forging. These are different severe plastic deformation. Out of this we have chosen the repetitive corrugation because that this technique we can easily apply the material sheet or plate. So you can use it for mass production techniques also. For that we used, for that purpose only we have chosen these techniques. These the pupils or students were involved for doing the experiments. This is the repetitive corrugation technique machines. 2 rollers are there. One in the repetitive and corrugation and straightening techniques. These are the specimen after number of passes achieved. You can able to see that after 6 passes, you can difference between these 6 and 21 passes. You can able to see material strengthen or achieved. Another this annealing process were adapted for increasing the strength. And based on the semi-image microstructure says that this is a raw specimen and this is microstructure ready 1 passes and number of passes. After number of passes, the material after 12 passes, the material grain refinement and material reduction takes place, and after 21 passes also you can see that after 12 passes, this one 21 passes, you can able to see that grain refinement takes place, and 24 passes after annealing condition also you can see that. Finally, this micro hardness we quantify results says that micro hardness is increased up to 228 after 12 passes. Surprisingly see that after annealing obviously it is getting reduced. Further research is going on after 24 passes. What will happen? Definitely it will increase the strength of the material. About 228 hardness were achieved. Conclusion is this that this commercial pure titanium, we adapted the repetitive correction and settling technique by increasing strength of the material. So it could be can apply for biomedical application. I would like to thank IE chapter for acknowledgement for sponsoring this process under R&D scheme, executing this work. Thank you for presenting.